Hello everyone and welcome back to Relearning. In the previous video, we have studied that Earth is spherical in shape. So, on Earth, to find different locations, we need some imaginary lines as a reference. These imaginary lines are called as parallels and meridians. So today we are going to study about parallels and meridians. Let's begin. As you can see in the picture, the Earth is rotating on its axis. The axis is nothing but the imaginary line drawn across the center of the globe. Axis has two endpoints which are also called as poles. The one at the top is called as North Pole, while at the bottom it is called as South Pole. Now let's start with the next one, that is parallels. What are parallels? A set of circles is drawn on the surface of the globe. They are called as parallels or lines of latitude. These circles run from east to west. The Earth is divided into two equal parts by drawing an imaginary line midway between North Pole and South Pole. This line is called as equator. Equator is nothing but the longest parallel among all of them. Okay. Now this equator divides the Earth or the globe into two parts. The one at the top is called as Northern Hemisphere and one at the bottom is called as Southern Hemisphere. Important features of parallels. All parallels are complete circles except North Pole and South Pole. These are points. The length of parallel decreases as we move away from the equator towards the pole. All parallels are located at an equal distance from each other, that is 1 degree, and parallels neither touch nor cross one another. How parallels are numbered? We start from the equator, which is 0 degree. North Pole over here on the northern side is numbered as 90 degree N, while South Pole at the bottom is numbered as 90 degree S. There are 90 parallels in each hemisphere. So on total we have 181 parallels including the equator. Other than equator, the North Pole and the South Pole, there are 4 other important parallels. Let's see which are they. The first important parallel we can see the Tropic of Cancer, the Tropic of Capricorn, the Arctic Circle and the Antarctic Circle. In the picture we can see that we will find out the locations of each of them and the number of them. At 0 degree we have equator. At 23.5 degrees north we have Tropic of Cancer. At 66.5 degrees north we have Arctic Circle. At 23.5 degrees south we have Tropic of Capricorn. At 66.5 degrees south we have Antarctic Circle. Okay, so among 181 parallels, these were the important one. Always remember there are 5 important parallels: equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. The Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle are also called polar circles or tundra circles. So this was the first part of this topic. If you have enjoyed it, do hit the like button. If you have any doubts, write us down into the comment section. If you are new to the channel, please hit subscribe button. This is Ms. Swapnil signing off. Thank you.